Well, hey again everyone, this is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and in this video this is going to be a question about breakers that I don't know the answer to, and I'm hoping somebody in the audience there can answer this question. Now what I've got here is a double 200 amp breaker, and I've got it strapped together on both legs, top and bottom, and I'm thinking that that will double the capacity to 400 amps. And the reason why I got this question to ask is because this inverter over here, this 24 volt inverter under full load will draw 300 amps. So I'm wondering, is this now a 400 amp breaker or is it still a 200 amp breaker? And if I go into more than 200 amps on this inverter over here, will this thing trip on me? So I'm not real sure about that, and if anybody of you guys that knows the answer to that question, appreciate an answer. I actually posed that question over on Will Krause's forum, and I couldn't get a definitive answer there. And on top of that, my dad's a retired nuclear engineer, and he wasn't sure either. So this is kind of a hard question to answer, I think. But anyways, leave an answer down in the comment section there if you know the answer to this. Thanks for watching. See you later.